Objective number 1, simplify exponential expressions using the product rule. So let's talking about the exponential. If we have 3 to the 5th power, so 3 is the base and 5 is the exponent. So what does it mean is you multiply 3 5 times. So that's what it means when you expand them. So now what if I have the product rule? That means if I have like x to the 3rd power times the same thing but with different exponent, like to the 2nd power. So what is the answer? When I see the multiply between them, so should I multiply the x and the x? And then should I multiply the 3 and the 2? Okay. So to answer that question, so let's go ahead and list this out. What does it mean by x to the 3rd power? So the base is x, right? So we're going to multiply x 3 times. And then the x squared, it means we copy this, multiply down, right? Okay. And then the x squared means x and x. Then we count and we see that we only have 5x. So does this mean x to the 5th power? So now we can have the formula is if we have x to the m times x to the n, we keep the base if we have the same base, and then we will add the exponent. Okay. So this is called the product rule. So using the product rule for example 1, 2, and 3, so the base is 2 and the same for both 2 and 2. Then we add the exponent is 6. And we can use the calculator and that's give us 64. The base is -3. The exponent is 2 and 1. So we add them up. So we get -3 to the 3rd power, and that is -27. So if we list this out, it's going to give us 4 of the t. If we list the second one out, it's going to give us 7 of the t. So totally, we will add them up. So that would be 11 of the t. So t to the power 11. So if we have 3 of them, so that would be the same idea. We just add the exponent. So 6 plus 1 plus 4, and it's give us 8 to the 11. Now, example number 3, we have the first 2 terms are the same base. So the base m, and then 3 plus 5 is 8. The last one is n, so there's nothing the same. So what do? We just copy this down.